Welcome to the Congress Agorà 2022. We are here with Dr. Paolo Rovatti. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You're welcome. Thank you very much for the invitation.
It's a pleasure. What are the innovative content, the confirmation that you want to highlight regarding your participation at the Congress?
We spoke about neck. Neck is a very common place where we can speak about many things, but the difference now is that we can speak about energy device, something added to this procedure, because usually we had just spoke about filler, biostimulation, something like this. Now we have more weapons in our pocket, so we can do more with energy device, with HIFU, and I tell you my experience everywhere in the world. And I see everywhere they are using a lot, in Asia, in South America, they are using a lot of devices because they understand that. Well, it's not very easy to speak about this because they are expensive, you need time to learn, there is a learning curve. Maybe not many surgeons they want immediately to use this one, but now we have. And in this presentation we had many colleagues, they spoke about this combination of energy device, filler, thread lifts, and everything we need for a difficult area like neck.
And talking about neck, the neck skin in particular is much more thinner, more fragile. At what age should we start taking care of it?
It's so difficult to speak about an age because there are many different things like age, food, implementation, sun, everything is different for the skin of a neck. Anyway, now the changing is we start at 30, 40. We don't do like in 20 years ago, 60 years old. We didn't have any energy device, so we must do only surgery, facelift, neck lift. Now we start at 30, at 40 years old, we start with the energy device so we can strengthen the skin and we can have more results. And sometimes we have more natural results. Now we are using a regenerative surgery or aesthetic medicine.
And we have to say that the prevention is very important.
Yes.
Always.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. The last question. The aesthetic medicine is becoming more safer and ethical. Are there any clinical findings and recommendations for patients?
Yes, absolutely. Don't trust only the social. The social are useful just to see, just to check what is new sometimes, but sometimes there is a fake world in the social. So I think it's better to understand from your friend, from someone that spoke about this doctor. I did from this doctor some treatment, and this I think is much better than a fake on the social. So the social are perfect, are good, are nice, but you cannot follow and trust only in social. Sometimes they are not so true. Yes. This is the difference in these years.
But there are a lot of misinformation also from influencers and so on.
Everyone can write. I can write everything, and sometimes it's not true.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dr. Rovatti, for this interesting interview. And I wish you a very good day.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.